PancakeSwap is up over more than 250% in the last 2 months. Will this pump continue? Make sure you watch till the end to find that out. Hey guys, my name is Crypto Pablo, and in this video we'll talk about PancakeSwap project. Its pros and cons. I'm pretty sure we all are well aware of PancakeSwap, one of the most popular DeFi projects. They have recently announced that they are preparing for a new proposal to reduce the supply of cake coins. Now, this is being done in an effort to significantly reduce the supply. The team will burn the tokens if the proposal is accepted. You can take a look at this Twitter post that we have. Now, after this proposal, there will be significant increase in the price of this, the altcoin. This is a mechanism that we understand. If you reduce the supply, it will increase the value of the token, and vice versa. If you increase the supply, that'll reduce the price. Now, in a post today, PancakeSwap team, they said that they have made a proposal to the community to reduce the number of tokens for cake. Now, accordingly, the maximum number of cake tokens, they will be reduced from 750 million to 460 million. Now, again, this is being done in an effort to move away from the inflationary policies. The team shared this proposal with the community before the final proposal. Now, the price of cake, it has increased by 20% after this offer was distributed. Now, this is the initial distribution of the cake tokens, which you can see as follows. We have 60% to PancakeSwap syrup pools for yield farmers. We have 26.2% to PancakeSwap founders and advisors. Then there's 10% to Binance Launchpad IEO sale. And there's 3.8% to strategic partnership reserves. Now, this brings us to the question, do you think that cake coins, they're worth buying? And I'll see you guys in the next video.